Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty in our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. Good morning, fellow Ambazonians, fellow people of the Southern Cameroon Territory. Welcome for this platform, the Critical Analysis, a production of the No Connie Talk Show. That me, Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Lukong, Ambazonian FBI, two side callers, una own countryman, una own Ngambe man for the Ambazonian Revolution. I don't come again once more for una with the Critical Analysis, a No Connie Talk Show. So for this show, as una know very well, na a show we go critically, we look things them critically inside the Ambazonian Revolution, we hold truth to power, and we make sure say make we elevate our people them for the high standard where they need for attain them emotionally, psychologically, so that we will feel attain our independence properly. We make sure say make we promote effectiveness for our revolution, so that make we reach for Boya within the quickest possible time. Now me, una host, once more Capo Daniel, where I pledge for be truthful, for be honest for una, and for tell una exactly the truth. I be also na a civil liberty activist where me say I believe in public knowledge. I believe in public court. I believe say when our people then get access for information, the way be critical for their future, then they go be able to make the right decision, for take the right action, the way you go help them meet them reach for the point where they want go for this time for independence. As I dey always talk, I dey remind Ambazonians them say just because something it be popular, it no mean say it go succeed, because 90% of popular movement them around the world it don't fail, including for civilized countries them like the United States of America. If people them way they remember very well, when I go remember say the time where American people they be rise up, say me they occupy Wall Street, where be been a massive protest against all the big company, the way they done they cheat people them, they make us many people their salary low, and make poor people they remain poor, rich people they remain rich. That protest it be actually fail because say Obama where be been a president that time for America, it be go bail out and the banks them, he instead carry money go give them for that rich people them for America, because say the uprising it be not be get focus, it not be get proper leadership, and they not be articulate themselves very well, including the Black Lives Matter movement for America, where be start with George Floyd he die. They don't be hijacked by people the way they just try for bonbon store them, they divert the original intention for the people them for America where they be the fight for the black people them. Their intention it be for make condition it be better, make police they need to keep black people. But now the political scavengers them for inside America, the Democrats and the Republicans, they don't turn the Black Lives Movement now about their election. The Democrat they want use them for fight against Donald Trump. The Republican they want use them for show say the black people then those be violence. At the end of the day, now the poor people them they suffer. My country people them, my job today now for make them like Asaran they do one for the past 4 years for this platform, make the popular Ambazonia uprising, make it end for the people their favor, meet and get which way they want them independence. We believe very much say independence it be attainable for the Ambazonian people if they follow the right leadership, the right strategy them where it go be effective for them to prosecute the revolution. The greatest challenge for Ambazonian people them now because say they get political scavengers them where they don't play politics for La Republic. The CPDM and SDF politicians them now them don't enter for inside the struggle for hijack them, just like how political scavenger them for America and many other places that are hijack the revolution. Una remember say this phenomenon is not there only for inside Ambazonia or for America. If you look critically for the uprising for Tunisia, the uprising for Egypt, where it be start as a popular movement for people the way they want demand for democracy and fairness for their country, it end up say they can't get worse dictatorship than they be starter. The one for Egypt where they become Hosni Mubarak put Sisi, who sister Sisi it be worse a dictator than Hosni Mubarak. The Egyptian they done lost all their freedom where they be get them before. Ambazonia then they for crossroad for inside this their revolution where they fight for their independence. If they make mistake, the situation for Ambazonia they go be worse before it be this struggle. When a member say La République, because of a fear for Ambazonian independence, they have moved GC Ibot out of Ambazonia into Yaoundé. La République du Cameroon, because of their fear for Ambazonian nationalism, they have also moved CDC out of Atlantic State into Yaoundé. Ambazonia, they rise up. La République, they be more afraid of our prospect for get independence. They want dismantle even Boya University. My fellow country people, them, our life it be at stake. Our future it be at stake. If we make mistake, Ambazonia they go suffer for the next 8 generations to come. Our diaspora population, where the number now close to 2.5 million, they go remain for abroad forever. They no go ever go back. Our IDP for Nigeria, they go remain the new people there for Nigeria, where they go call them na come no go. Our hundreds of IDP them, they go remain for inside bush, they go end for Yaoundé and Douala. Our population, they go be decreased. La République du Cameroon, they go seize advantage for science and technology, to promote sterilization of our women them. They go empty our villages them. The prospect for Ambazonian failure, it be so devastating way we no fit even imagine them. If I want take una make we go for Asia, I go take una make we go for the places they call and say Myanmar, where some people they call and then a Rohingya refugee them inside their own country because they be lost war for inside Myanmar. Then that people them today they no get no place for go. Then they for inside Myanmar like people where they no get country, cow way no get day. If Ambazonia it lost this war for independence, forever we no go get country. La République, it go move we, put Bamileke them for our country. We go be a lost people them for our land. They go put their chief them. They are already begin to sell land. It go be devastating. We need to take this struggle very seriously. No be matter for play, no be matter for laugh. We done lost more than 20,000 people them. And a lot of them be unaccounted for till today. Una welcome for the critical analysis in No Koni Talk Show. Na me una host Capo Daniel. As our tradition in the talk, we start our show with a song for welcome all man. Salute all people the way they participate live for Facebook page. May it be an interactive show. I go also salute our people that for Ground Zero where they go come watch me after, and the one the way they go watch me later on. Today I go bring the music for Placette, where na some one Amazonian artist where they for Ground Zero. Maybe we'll take them for welcome all man. Mama Wali, I salute you. Your cafe day up. I salute all man. I salute the Ambali squad. Nkeng 6-2s. And all my way there for us at the CC Titus Izo. He there for us Ebina. He there for us Ben Wheels. Una welcome all man. Una welcome. So today we'll get a lot of things about Duam. I don't give my opening statement. We're going to go inside and see Nolly Fletcher. Now you be first man will come online today. Ivan Ndowi, welcome. Stanley Bokpa, freedom. Have freedom for America, my brother. I salute you. Jennifer Marcos, welcome. Ada Denise, welcome. And all the people who can watch me later, una welcome. I want to salute our big general, General Cobra. I want to salute Supreme, our Supreme Commander of our Raw Commander for all the Ambazonian Defense Forces, the biggest number. By Capede up, I want to salute General Caporal, the Lion of Bui, General Ebube, King of the Forest. I salute Una, and I salute General Hassan, the best of the best, a born general. I want to salute Baye. I also want to salute Mopikin. I want to salute our captain when I lead the FACO. I think say FACO deserve a general. So Benedict Kwa, I think that one. Malcolm X, welcome. Zion Watch, welcome. And my own brother Martin Monono, welcome. Oh, Nabi, welcome.
There is a body lying down the street. It could be a brother, it could be my sister.
Man for Justice, welcome. All man be welcome.
Anybody else, because of the conditions we're facing, where we live today, we are the victims.
Biko Khan, the Biko Khan, welcome for house, my brother. And all man be highly welcome. In case you missed my opening statement, I want to advise you to go back after the show to listen to my opening statement, a very powerful opening statement for today. Today we get a lot of stuff. Mami B, businesswoman, where they work na soft work, the day she don't has to make money, eh? I can take some tips them. So Asokwa Humphrey, welcome. Nga Stefan, welcome.
That you see is representing a human being. Maybe if you listen to the people's cry, we wouldn't be where we are today. We are the victims and we die because of the decisions you made from above. Hold your fire now and hear them crying. You've got to hold.
That was a wonderful piece of music from Placette Dubé. He's from Bamenda, the land of the brave, and I just love to listen to this guy. I listen to his music on YouTube. He's so inspirational, if be full of wisdom. So I think we don't take time for welcome all man. People the way they go come now and not go welcome una again, unless now some Superman don't come. But I want to appreciate all man we don't join me live for make a media show it be a very interactive one. So I want to salute all man for the Atlantic State right up to the Savannah State who will join me today. We'll get a lot for Mark call back a back. Are they online live? So all man will be highly welcome. My own country people them. Our Ambazonian family at home and abroad, una welcome for this No Corny Talk show. Una know say this one na a very critical thinking show. Na a show where they go inside depth for intellectual things them. So no be a show for Zamzam. If una dey look na entertainment for here or una the one make a pacify una for here, it no go happen. This show would be very, very straight for our people, very honest for our people then, because lives are at stake. Would make sure say we no go be shy, we go be bold, we go be strong, for stand up for this truth, for make sure say when una come for here, una get the truth and nothing but the truth. So una welcome. We're going to dive inside the show today. A lot of things that happen. Will nobody come online live like we'll be one for the camp because say when I know with my position as the deputy defense chief, we'll do a lot of coordination, we'll do a lot of planning, we'll do a lot of meetings, and we'll get a lot of briefings them. So it take a lot of time, but when una need to see me online live, make una be happy. Una know say we do the job where it be needed for be done, so that make we get for Boya as soon as possible. So I go straight for my presentation. I get a lot of things the way I want to address them. Like normally, I need to always end up address them because of time constraint. And I would hope we hear good news. The Campo Communication Department from our communication chief, Mr. Frank. They then tell we say make we expect the Ambazonian Governing Council TV go to come up small time. They already do a test run. People they get the signal for ground zero. They never make any official launching or any official announcement yet. So una just keep on saying a rumor way they go on within the Ambazonia Governing Council way na a very good one. So maybe they ask the name for that music. I think na Ceasefire. The name for that music na Ceasefire. The name for the guy na Dubé, Placette Dubé. So I will excuse una so that I will go inside my presentation and not go respond. But I want to tell una say I follow up the comment section as well there on my computer screen. So I go to take note of which one I comment and I go feel factor in my presentation and I go feel address them directly or indirectly. So make una know feel say the comment section then be useless. I guess some guy he come is a capo. I don't tired to comment for your Facebook. I the comment you need to ever talk. I did notice every comment and it affect what you already do and sometimes it factor inside what you already talk but I need to try to focus on the main presentation for today before I do want come back for the comment section. So make una understand. Make una choose me. So, fellow Ambazonians, we go one start today. I go talk about the commentary then way the leak audio then way Mr. Eric Tato Idandi release them. I don't get a lot of people the way they toxic Kapu Daniel no comment about them, no talk anything about them, don't leave them. So long as see the fights are come, me no talk anything about them. Well, I also don't give messages the way he the Eric Tato too, they don't call people that for back. They talk say me them back Kapu Daniel, me Kapu Daniel no no attacky. And I want to tell when I say I know they attack anybody. I've never attacked anybody. I go out there to defend Ambazonia and the integrity of our revolution. When I see alarm, I raise it. It doesn't matter who. So now be rest assured. Say if any bad thing they go, I go stand, I go talk them. I need to fear no man. And I need to fear fight. I need to run fight. I go fight for una. I don't take this mantle and I go fight for our people them. And I don't get the messages the way they don't send them for me, and the concern, the high level people the way they don't contact them, they talk for me, and I the one for assure when I say the people the way they follow me, so I no go ever fail una. I will always put now my interest and the interest of Ambazonia first before anything. So I go try without much ado forgive una a beginning for start in the beginning for address the leak audio the way Eric Tato Iran give outside. And for remind when I say I need to come for talk anything or for criticize anybody because I disagree with the person. If I criticize somebody now because I feel say the person be wrong or the person they mislead or there is some hidden dangers and way I no one make gonna be blindsided when they listen for that person. No beside the one come for can't talk something because I don't want attack some person. No. I believe in democracy, I believe in public debate, I be a civil liberty activist. So now always my own approach that say people that need to be challenged, people that need to explain themselves, people that need to be held into a standard way our people then deserve them. Never have I come out here for just attack somebody because I disagree with the person or because the person needs to support my own point of view. No. We must be civilized. We must make our people that meet and be civilized by setting an example of how a democratic people that need to be for the react. So the thing I want to tell Ambazonians and I say the audios and way Eric Tato the play them, the question where I want me gonna ask the Eric Tato and I say now when he be get that audios them and now how long that audio they don't stay with you. These na legitimate questions them we go feel help una make proper assessment for every information we una get them. I be done send out a warning. Say if una be so much consumed with the things of the past at the wrong timing, una go lost focus for waiting them be critical for in front of una. That one it be not just a caution statement why they make them. I go also want to tell Ambazonians and say I be done play audios them from Ellie Smith where it be recorded by Ground Zero with some journalists and where then they for inside hotel they talk. I don't play them for 2018 where Ellie Smith it talk the same thing. I don't play them the same. I don't also bring information then from diplomatic corps where people they talk the same thing where they get engagement with the Swiss ambassador. I don't bring those things them for una. Mr. Lucas Asu be don't bring those things them for una. So wait way it mean I say when I be talk when Lucas be talk we be present them for una, people they no be take seriously. When Tapang Ivo it be even come, we don't get discussion on how to present this thing for now. Because some people they be feel say would they criticize the Swiss process now because say Ayabachono the lead them or na say Ayabachono be day for day. No. We be even bring a chart. I remember Tapang Ivo will bring some detailed documents them, present them for now, show now where the Swiss HD it be, show now where the Swiss government they take the people they go for day. We be done analyze them all. And the Ambazonian people them they no be take them very very seriously the way they be supposed to take them. And I no go fit just blame them or for fit blame ourselves because for me I don't do my job. Lucas don't do his job. The Ambazonia Governing Council it don't do our job very very well. The problem now na the receiver. You know, if you be teacher you teach picking and they hear. The problem if be na say you be na a bad teacher or the problem if be na say the picking and they no pay attention or they be distracted. And it be very important say me people them get the right information at the right time so that it go fit save them much better. So the issue for me what I want to bring up for Ambazonia people them now the fact say common sense and logic, e go tell anybody say a person wey be capable for get foresight, for give you early warning, na if he save your life. A person wey if he see some things early on, na person wey he be more smarter, and na he go be a better counselor for you. So Ambazonia they need to understand say a person wey if he foresee something 3 years ago, 2 years ago, that person go better save your need when you pay close attention for wetin wey that person e dey talk am. So if Ambazonians them for any time they no be the big capable for receive information for activists them wey them be more credible, activists the way them be more focused and more articulate, wey them get more sense, but them prefer activists the way them be more emanating, wey they shout may make like say them get problem. I understand that behavior from Ambazonians and because I grew for Ambazonia. Yes, I don't stay most of my life for Hong Kong. I think I traveled very early on. The first time I traveled, now for United States, I be repatriated back. I traveled for France. From France, I come for Hong Kong. I don't stay for Hong Kong for almost all my life because I just leave. When I leave university, I leave university second year. I know if you go through university because it will just be useless for me. I be right in NAM and those things. I will pass them. I will pass those exams. I go there, they move my name. So I be done abandon that country very early on after my university, and I travel abroad. So I don't live most of my life for Hong Kong here, and I know how things they work. I don't campaign here as an activist. Would I enact law then for Hong Kong against discrimination? So I know how democracy they work. Hong Kong na a democratic country inside a China wey na a communist country, but Hong Kong na the most liberal country in the world. We get the best economic policy, then na a free tax zone. So I be very experienced with how democracy they work and how the international system they work, even as an engineer. So I be very, very versed with my background of 2 years study of political science and law in University of Chang. I be very, very capable for advice Ambazonia them. I don't be very, very involved in politics back home to try to fight against corruption. I don't be involved in philanthropic gesture. I don't help orphanages them. When the struggle start, I be offer help the common law lawyers and before Abobala ever come up. Just can't take the thing and run away with it. So I don't be involved with the defense from being a bishop. I was a bishop. I know be that ever announced of one. I be a bishop for the Tigers of Manu in the early days with Tiger One, Mark Barata, and all those people. Then for who will be run the show for Manu. They will be here the biggest fights in them. I be in the middle of those fightings. Them. I be deeply involved with General Ivor also as a aide to the ADF. I be talk with at one time. I think I be one of the closest persons to General Ivor because it will be the share just a lot about our personal life on a day-to-day basis. Will be the talk so much deeply. I be the person who I become in, set up the British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces, put the structure together, the ideology together, and I don't be the main person who will be the help how did they call him again? Seseko Ayuk Tabi for a lot of things. I be at the center of the creation of the IG. So I be very, very experienced and I be highly connected. I talk with almost every person who will be matter diplomatically, ground zero, in the journalist cycle, the senators back home, the political parties back home. So I be in a very good position for advise the Ambazonian people and make una they take things where they talk them very seriously. If una be take the things where they talk them very seriously, my trip to Boya, not forget go to the extent where we go to, and a lot of bad things for they happen the way it don't be. So my main point I want bring up Ambazonia then today and I say common sense and logic go talk say person where get foresight, where if you see things them early, it be better place for advice una and make una they take them seriously. But how una react be up to una. I can only do this best. And for do my best as Saram Pletcham, I go always there for una people then because I believe, say, I need to provide this service for my own king's men so that will make them through this independent struggle. No matter the cost, no matter the price, I don't decide for stand, just like the boy them for Ground Zero where they don't decide for stand, selflessly for save their nation. So the poster is in. This is a segment I would bring up for this show. The poster, the poster. When I know what we mean by poster, I think I go talk. I go try to explain what we mean by poster. What's that picture there? Okay, so this section now, this segment now a segment where it call and say wait till it happen. The segment wait till it happen need it come. But around June my program, I need to do better in writing and keeping my schedule so that I will follow. Make una forgive me, so we'll never do the comedy section today. So maybe we'll go back for the comedy section and then we will come back for wait till where the talk. So let us start with the comedy section. Where is the intro video? Ambazonia, I need assistant, eh? I need for hire a technician. I'll do everything by myself here, but it's okay. We have to do that. So for our comedy section today, La République du Cameroon is a comedy country, as we know very, very well, as we talk am na true. And guess what? Material them for comedy in need ever lack for inside La République. Would I hear say for inside La République du Cameroon for Kribi, for that matter, for Kribi, Joseph Owunai own country, the people the way na them be the most stupidest francophonized people them for inside that country, for inside Kribi, we see say for market woman they don't slap senator. Market woman they for inside La République, they don't catch senator beat them. The senator for inside La République for Kribi, he go for market. People they no be voting na pobia be just put it for they say be na senator. Because of that their politics where they keep people them, they do all kinds in them. They don't put you say be senator. People they be don't tell you say as they don't put you say be senator, will not be vote you. No pass for inside this Kribi. The man talk say if he say he get power, he go enter for inside market woman them for inside Kribi, then catch him, then yam, am peng. They hold him, then beat him. So the one did for show Ambazonia and then say, even for La République, a people the way the francophone government, the France Afrique, it don't brainwash them. They don't know they are left to right. If them fit beat a whole senator because na pobia put that senator for chair, no be them. Wait till the tell Ambazonia. We will not even vote na vote. La République don't put senator them for the parliamentarian them. Now wait till na go do them. Now wait till na go do them. So me that one, me wait till that happen for Kribi, it been a very good lesson for inside Ambazonia. Me that one it be a very good lesson for inside Ambazonia. Say me gonna see how a whole Kribi people that they do with their own parliamentarian. So now we will go directly for our show for today. Make up do our intro and we will go directly into our show for today. Fellow Amazonian, una be welcome, una come good for all man we dey for abroad and for home. IDP them for Nigeria, the refugee them, asylum seeker them for Cyprus, the one the way they live in Mexico, all can cancer them we una dey. Na me Capo Daniel Sense Pass King Idis for the critical analysis a production of the No Conny Talk show. Aran Campo can give una again the story where they for inside Ambazonia, they updates them and for give una critical analysis for things the way they happen and for show una for place who done day for this revolution, how the progress it go, now wait till they come for before, because plenty people them that begin to ask this question them from ground zero. Now you are go take them for address them today for una. Today na number 24 day for the month for October, and I want salute all my way day for ground zero where they go wash way after. Now so for ground zero now 1 o'clock for morning time, so no expect for hear plenty people or see plenty people for ground zero during the live show. Even for Europe too now similar time now almost midnight. But people them for America and for all that side them they go day live with we, and the one the way they go feel wake up for watch we, all we will go day together for follow this show. When I welcome, we will start our show directly. My opening statement I been already give my opening statement, so we ran just talk for tell people then say common sense and logic in the talk say make them begin pay attention for people the way they get sense, not be just for popularism. Make them begin pay attention for way to way credible activists that they talk on for them, because it be very important. As important as the leak audio that they come out for Eric Tato, na a very good thing say Ambazonia that they get the evidence them for these things and what they talk am, even if na double evidence them, na a fine thing. But never wanna know of a be so consumed, we wanna go lost focus for the propaganda wey la Republique du Cameroon that they do am for ground. Make una understand also say our poll, our poster for Bamenda, it don't come. We get na 2 people then for where they do polling for inside my Kuntaki. Then they for Kuntaki 360. They talk with most of the people them and they do their polling for Ground Zero. So this segment, a new segment we will put up is the segment na waiting the happen. Waiting the happen na per poster na person wey dey help me for Ground Zero for find out wetin wey people they think. It be very important make we begin to find out wetin our people they think for inside Ground Zero. So today poster it don come for wetin dey happen. Now wetin dey happen for Ground Zero, now wetin people they think am. Per poster it don take a sample for Ben Sikin people them, it don take a sample for buy am sell am them, it don take a sample for our soldier them, it don talk for plenty people them, it don bring me result about wetin way Ambazonian people they preoccupy their mind. They according to the polling way that enter, it is true say Ambazonian people them they listen for the leak audio them where Eric Tato they put them be very very concerned and they be very consumed about that those presentation. And the pa idam ask people them say now what did they think when they hear this audio. So according to the poster, it talks say the endless 2 to 3 hours leaks where Eric Tato it show am. According to the poster, no be say na my opinion, it undermine the enthusiasm for Ground Zero and it play into the enemy in narrative say the struggle it that end. The pa also talk say all the audio them when people they listen them, it instead discourage them about the revolution, because say the audio them it can end with the conclusion say the leaders it don't fail, the revolution it don't fail. Now the impression that way Eric Tato it give when it give those he leak audio them according to our poster. And he also talk say the whole issue for the enemy, no be I need to talk about Eric Tato, the whole strategy for La Republique now for decapitate our leadership by destroying all leaders, discrediting all leaders. The same like the agenda way they be given for the Cry Out Radio, Cry Out TV to Gumba. Now for take our leader them one by one, destroy them. La Republique du Cameroon, then get way to where they call them say pay and destroy. Pay and destroy. That means say they go bribe you, then after they go can discredit you for outside. So now the impression that way our pa waiting the think, waiting the happen for Ground Zero, na idan talk on our poster a conclusion that. So now na for take una mind for decide which way it happen and the reason why we Eric Tato it push those audios them. As for me, Capo Daniel, for being no corny, I go talk say the reason why Eric Tato they push those audios, no person I no go fit talk am, I no go want speculate, but I go talk say if he be na for Ambazonia, he need for begin present an alternative, because it not be enough for begin talk say the leader bad, the one that chop money for La Republique, the one that chop money for La Republique, where you be start and step now Ayabacho, and then now you need to present an alternative. If you be stand for Ambazonia, no be where you talk say this leader is bad, you go to talk say na this one he be good. No be you talk say this person he fail this organization, you go talk say na this one he be better. So make ye if he talk na for Ambazonia, no be for La Republique. Make una go tell you say when he talk may begin present the alternative. Say Dr. Cho Ayaba na the most credible leadership. Say Capo Daniel, Lucas Asu, Vela Franklin na them be the most credible activists, because time where they be the talk say these things that they happen, ye be the cover up for Sako, ye na be the protect Sako, be the make and say make these things that not be exposed at a time where it be more important. Because for 2017, not be 2018, no, 2017, when I began talk for Ambazonian and say, La République, their presidency then get video report, video conference with Sako Ekome. They be talk say, Mark Barata be come talk say na abina how they call them again? Wait theories. Wait, na conspiracy theories. Before even the Swiss D one start, they be talking a conspiracy theory. The Barry Colbert, the chocolate company, where he come introduce this Swiss D for Mr. Pobia, it be been about for get a project, a contract for Douala Seaport. They be fight for take that contract away from the French company where be the Holam. And the thing that already passed, the Swiss D that already failed. The only thing where they turn now never spend the budget way the Canadian government be done give for them. We be done talk this one for una already. They be the call we say na conspiracy theories. They be even come up with some their name say na wait na Pamela, something like that. Some very childish things. Make una see how they be done useless Ambazonians them. Say all along for this past 3 years, Capo Daniel was telling you the truth. The audio I have actually played audio of of Ellie Smith saying the same thing. So Ambazonians have to overcome the cultural barriers, what I call the wicked black man syndrome, that is making them incapable of listening to gentlemen and people who are quiet and are soft spoken. The whole issue about the wicked black man syndrome, which is a cultural hindrance that is hindering our people from understanding right from left or listening from people who are articulate, people who are scientists, people who are spot on. And they will prefer to listen to people who are wicked, people who are brutal, people who are emanating, rather than sound knowledge. You know, they prefer, they feel now say activists never shout. Yeah, you remember that name, Pamela? They think me childish me. You know, one person talks something for you, person the one try to curse you, then they actually make themselves stupid. Because every time I be actually listen to those names, what is Pamela? It looks so childish. When somebody uses that type of name, at least when you want to insult somebody, use a name that is going to be insulting to the person. Don't call a name that it just look funny for me. Like you say, Pamela. What is Pamela? Call me Pamela. Who cares? I actually like the name because I know a lot of I think when I was in primary school, there was one very beautiful girl there called Pamela. I think that was the first girl I ever kissed. You know, when we were playing live play, I kissed Pamela. So, Capo Pamela, I like that name. But it was just so childish. You know, look at what you guys have gone through. Those people who hated me for telling them the truth. At least what they should have done is tell them that Capo Daniel had said this thing. You people did not listen. Even I didn't listen. Now I am doing it for what reason? But Padam Tokam. But waiting the happen, it don't talk. So now the poster that when I need to understand the state of mind of a desperate person, our people then be desperate, and their instinct now for go along with the feeling where they that always get them. They always feel say they want something, but they try to replace the thing with the same thing. Now why that way you see they be attracted to Seseko because he be dressed like president, Milan be ready make it package it very well. He be talk like president, dress like president. And for what I mean president, for people that Ambazonia that mind, a president na pobia, presidential na a pobia like of waiting for do. So we need for come out of that mindset and be capable for listening to Capo Daniel and taking him very seriously. For the day you shall listen to Capo Daniel and Lucas Asu and Vela Franklin, that day you people should know that you are free. The rise of Capo Daniel and Lucas Asu, Vela Franklin is the rise of wisdom, is the rise of knowledge, and is the rise of Ambazonia true spirit. You have to get there for you to have your freedom. Unless you get there, I've had a lot of people come back and apologize, but that is a good sign. And you are all welcome. So that is it for that segment of Waiting They Happen. Per poster. You don't get your show today, you don't get your segment. I will get it like a prominent segment. Per Waiting They Happen. So we will leave that per Waiting They Happen, the poster segment. I go take una for inside the great state of Bui. For the great state of Bui, we don't see say the population, a joint congregant of both Protestant churches, Catholic churches, they don't gather for inside the great state of we say them go make prayer. We also see say the traditional people them they be gather say me they became make home me be ready for bring back their chief. La République du Cameroon be carry the fund for inside we go time for Yaoundé. It then say their propaganda it don't fail and chief he want coming back for a village. This time it come now by the railway when the tradition people they receive it, no be still La République du Cameroon they come with their bodyguard them. We'll be very happy. So the church people they don't come out say me them go pray. We don't hear say we warrior them. Again magic cup, invisible cup. So the Bui warrior they don't go cash that cash on parishioner the way they go pray. So the whole church people them they don't go for go take cry for them. Say me then release the people the way they be take them. We don't get the video, we don't play the video how way the priest he take the lead for go stand up, he talk for them.
To the whole humankind, the only thing is to intensify our prayer. And that is why we decided today to pray. And it happened that in the course of praying, some people were caught on the way. And that is what has motivated us to say, let us come here and hear from our brothers who are here. What error have we committed?
So the people that for Bui, they ask the Bui warrior and say, they don't do what have we done for the cash people and they say they want to go pray. Bui na a liberated area. You know get no La Republic administrator for day. We need to allow our people them to go about their day-to-day activities, enjoy their freedom inside Ambazonia. The Ambazonia Defense Forces them for the Bui Brigade would not allow everybody to go around do your normal business so long as we don't kick out La Republic the administrator. The small pocket of La Republic bunker them where they get them for inside Bui na just a bunker where they remain for the come on na inside armored car they nothing mingle among our population. So we need to allow our people them to walk in freedom. Me them be on our side. When the people them be on your side, the enemy cannot touch you. We call on the Bui warriors and anybody where they for Bui worldwide when now they give money for the boy them. Make una advise them, me them stop for harass our people them. When una see people they rise up like this, it shows that they're not there on the right side. No be politics. You must stand on the right side. Una wonder why when the ADF, he call population me them come for march for 1st October, all man he come out come. Because they know say the ADF they on the side of the people. The ADF they behave rationally. And now they call that way they call them for all man for inside Bui. Abandon the people where they give una poisonous idea for harass and kidnap una own people. When they do and so they no like una. Because these people they go be transformed into enemy if una continue to do this type of things. So they call on the Bui warriors. May they abandon these ways of terrorizing our own people, our own Banso people. They need to abandon them and follow common sense. We don't also hear say they don't catch on some boy way na if it be na Panabita. Now the boy picture this. This boy named na Ntambeng Kingsley. If it be na Panabita for inside Bui day, we work in no day again because of the war. He don't leave Panabitin work. He go join na Ben Skin. He drive na Ben Skin. The Bui people they don't kidnap. The Bui warrior they don't kidnap Tambeng Kingsley. They ask the family 5 million. Ben Skin man like this one he go get money 5 million of Wusai. He go get 5 million of Wusai. He woman they cry. He picking they cry. He friend they cry. They call we say Capo Daniel. Help we. Because we no one call Ekelebe. We no one go call Egyptian them. We no one go call terrorists La République du Cameroon occupation forces them. Help we. ADF una can help we. We too for ADF we talk say we no fit go use force for go release it for them. Because say it go cause more killing. So now I appeal for all Bui people. All sons and daughters for Nso. Una call the boy them una tell them say me they release Ntambeng Kingsley. Na man wey no first get money una see highway fat so. No be money oh. No be money na just say a woman no have a cook beans. A woman no have a cook beans. Una know say people for Banso they know they get the best potatoes, the best beans compared only to Santa and Awing. So when I talk me they release this boy, me go back to a family. He never do anything for una. That kidnapping for ransom, he no go help una. So the Bui warriors una release this Tamben Kingsley. Me go back for a family, go begin do a bent skin work. So from Bui, one take una two for inside 7 kata for inside Bafut for inside Savannah State. We ran yesterday for inside 7 kata. They forces them for they ran get meeting. Then talk say for that meeting say they ran denounce Sako Ikome and a group Chris Anu, then condemn them for talk me then assassinate 23 ADF soldiers for inside Bui, then condemn them, then talk say a bad thing. Then talk say they ran listen to the leak audio them, they ran discover and say Sako Ikome and Chris Anu na thieves them where they do work for La Republique. They ran ban them with all their activists. After they get that meeting, they release them. My own brother, my good comrade, C4 Silas Atefo, he go make disclaimer. They write and they put them 7 kata. Then first go make another one for Facebook page. That Facebook where they be controlled now by Sama Thomas for inside Europe, they for Belgium. That thief man, that popo thief man when I he the same soldier them for Ground Zero. The work can make video, the audio, then say be na warana defense with it. Who's that the Sama Thomas the picture day? I will bring that boy, Thomas, that man in picture can put him. Next time I will bring him. So he go make him. The only two ways I could control him for Bafut na Facebook page. No be 7 kata. After they go try to manipulate the Facebook page for 7 kata, it no work. Now he way Silas Atefo, he go to for his own Facebook page. We hear say Silas Atefo na also minister of DAC. He dey carry Eric Tato he handbag now. Then go for the na former scoop on a scope activist. Then go put am for they say General Kata. They no first know who be General Kata. General Kata na me I form that name. That will be there for inside the contender force. Na me I form that name. Give am for the general when na he be the overall general for all the 7 kata fighter them. Na he be even choose that name for them say 7 kata. So you get na 2 general them for 7 kata. One day we no go call a name because some of the people they talk to them they know the fighter. They don't actually know the fighters them. I no go call a name because they know I nobody ever hear some man talk about a name. But na me I be give that name say 7 kata, say General Kata. Nobody doesn't exist like General Kata. Let them know that nobody don't exist like General Kata. The person who send that audio na is second in command, and at the same audio na the same person where either consistently send report from 7 kata. So that is a meeting that took place in Bafut, and they come around with those decisions. They don't publish them. The decision is done. Yesterday I ran talk for the General Kata. I also call the name. I call it General Kata because na my name. I ran talk for General Kata. General Kata ran talk say he no mind for work with Sako. He no mind for work with Seseko. He no mind for work with Ayabacho. He no mind for work with any man. So I need to talk na politics. All way to where want and a gun. So if some man give you gun tomorrow, he go still work with he. But they don't decide to collaborate with the ADF. They will become a sister force with the ADF. Now a partner will collaborate with everybody. If person they will be against collaboration, then that man, na man for carry am gather and so lapsap Chinese man they call and say lapsap trash can una throw am for trash. It no belong for public space. We need to encourage collaboration. We need to encourage people the way they stand up against the killing of Ambazonian soldiers. So Silas, una the expose way to una be for inside that IG. That means say now una the glad me them begin kiki those ADF soldiers them now una the support them for back. Una the pretend for front but una the support them for back. What on hell will make you to come and create a fake disclaimer? Why? Why do you do that? To what end? What does this benefit the IG? Or you and the Eric Tato? What will this benefit you? What does this benefit Seseko? So for IG, for una for succeed, na for suppress ADF, for stop collaboration with ADF. Is that the type of collaboration you guys are talking about? Collaboration not supposed to mean say you destroy some other person. This is negative competition. There are so many groups in the way, the for Ground Zero way, una need connection, I will give them over for una because ADF alone cannot provide weapons for everybody. Group them plenty. So they, if Seseko need help, I will give my office to help Yerima and give them groups they can sponsor. We welcome diversity. We welcome diversity. But it should be on the grounds of collaboration and respect. We in the ADF and the governing council, we are not against Seseko. We are not against you guys. So you people should stop using people or propping up conflict with ADF. That is why Sako is who is he. Sako don't take una for Sishongo. That is the reason. So now the issue that I don't leave them about General Kata for they don't make that decision. A very good decision. Now decision where it happen all over the. Now just say the una nobody here. Plenty of those good older than they group them there for ground zero where they don't make meeting. Group them there as a matter of fact. Group them there way una for that una AMF when na Sakodo na Seseko do enter for una back now una don't send uniform the soldier then they go march with uniform. That same soldier they don't make video. Send them for me with that uniform. With that AMF uniform, they talk say they nobody give them anything. When I go send una uniform, when I not even buy them chop. Ma take them, ma bring them for ADF. I deny. Have you put the video them on see them? Is it necessary? Is it necessary? So we don't go down that road. Trust me, if we put our head to one, come on some of una. We go come on una heavily and una no fit stand our machine. Because we are a group of patriotic people who are not motivated by money or any other thing. Another thing where I want to talk where power poster be talk and where I not talk I think I receive message with power poster they talk and nobody talk about their campaign concerning school resumption. So that one is still there for under the segment of waiting they happen. But waiting they happen, they talk say the campaign for school resumption na La République du Cameroon campaign. If anybody don't get all the messages from all the group them, all the general way power waiting they happen don't talk for, they don't deny that school resumption for La République. So any man will be the hell of La République for talk say me school resume. Me the person he can publicly he can't talk say the hell of La République by denouncing La République du Cameroon school resumption. So now part of power waiting they happen that one no be talk am. So me they released Tamben Kingsley where they be arrested last week for Saturday for Insa Kumbo. We don't finish about 7 Kata. We also hear say Zumbi the week of a grave. Zumbi the need one die. We shoot Zumbi need die. Ata Milan Iran Jero for die. He Jero for die now. I have a name. Ata Milan Iran Jero for die. They say Zumbi need die. Now Ata Milan this. He don't come out with some audio. He talks in part 1. On top that audio, lambasting of our chairman, our leader of our liberation, Dr. Ayabacho Lucas. Comrade Ata Milan, for full disclosure, I must say this because we get a lot of ambazamzam. When you criticize somebody, they will think that you mean that that person is working for La République. I don't believe Milan is working for La République. I be investigative very well. I be go for Nigeria. I be go for the hotel and wait away that Naira issue be happen. If you run go hide for day, I be talk for people the way it be scared. Some people that be there wait time I be do my investigation. They approach me for talk say accuse Milan say na be set up Seseko them, but I be denied because I been a clean person. I need to do things for please people or for just attack people. So I want to bring that one for before me gonna know say this one no be because of no be I need to try for talk and say it work for La République or whatever. People where they feel say they work for La République, it be up to them for prove their own point. But I don't believe that theory. I believe say Ata Milan na a patriot. Naloba be na a patriot. But many of these people then get a wrong ideology. Na SDF mentality. Na politics make in Tarenkun. They work for their brain. These are political scavengers who can never take us anywhere. Ata Milan in politics dan lead from Kondengi. Na Ata Milan in handwork that for Seseko. Na Ata Milan inject blackmail, lies for this revolution, misappropriation. Na Ata Milan in handwork. Na he make sure say Mr. Seseko no ever unite with the other nationalist faction. Na he make say Mr. Seseko they undermine the leadership council. When I don't bring the division we'll get into today. Atta Milan na a failed leader. A failed leader. Now he carry scope. Go enter out and for inside the Swiss deal for your own personal relevance. Not because it is going to help Ambazonia. The scoop member have never agreed with him. If it takes scoop, make a personal thing. So Atta Milan, he can begin talk long story for criticize Dr. Cho Ayaba. There is no competition between you and Ayaba Cho. Look at how Ayaba Cho done build the governing council. Look at how Ayaba Cho done build the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Ayaba Cho na the hope for Ambazonia. Na the leader of Ambazonia. Mr. Atta Milan, shut up your mouth. You dey make more sense when you stay quiet. For if you can't stand because they don't take away the Swiss deal, you not be any relevant. You can't stand the one crush Ayaba Cho. What benefit would that help you? Even your own organization, Scoop, have asked you to resign. They have called for you. Dr. G, all the smart people in Scoop have run away. Your own never go hide behind Seseko. Push Seseko for before. Push Seseko for before. Una stop that SDF politics for inside Amazonia. Una stop that SDF politics. Una donate money, support refugee, support Seseko for prison. Una pay their lawyer. Then na the good thing that una fit do one for we. I know una should not for background. Una left we move prosecute this war. Una stop Connie. Una stop politics. You no go help una for any place. So now the only thing that I go talk about Comrade Milan. Comrade Milan na bad lie man. I no go waste my time for analyze ye because na just wasting time. Any man wey don hear that audio na wasting time. I no even sure say Dr. Chofi respond to this type of nonsense. But in any way, I don't talk am. Me Milan, he go deal with the corruption them for inside where they be accused you with for scapac. I no believe say he be take my money chop and because I know say na person wey they donate. So I know they for the people the way they can become blackmail Milan. So any man wey they listen for me, I don't do that. Milan, I believe say Milan did not chop any my money, but he misappropriate money because he be one for build the SCBC. He be the collect money for China. Tell me people they need to send money for treasury because he be one for control the money. He no one go through the democratic way. Now the same thing where he be the one try for sideline other leader them because he be one force his way into Seseko. For make Seseko in the image. And look the result. Look at the result. So me Milan go she don't quiet. Me go she don't answer. Me pack fine. If he can talk again, next time I will come back for a case. So we will leave that issue. I go take una now for inside the Atlantic State. Me go talk about what it happened for Besali. Una ran hear about the old way General Diamond. General Diamond, when a general for Sokadef, that Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga, he own person this or ground zero, na a doc this or ground zero. Now the same person this way be make audio say don't go for India, for go take medicine, for can kill ADF, for make sure some ADF die. Begin the fight say be the fight now for HD. Begin go say one go protect cocoa farmer them. Then go turn begin hijack key cocoa people them for collect money by force for them. Mr. Diamond, now you go join Ayeke after you come up for Kugwe for can destabilize Kugwe. You know what? You go take refuge for General Ayeke. I be done put your arrest warrant. I decide to withdraw that arrest warrant because Ayeke be called, it be back. Say make we leave you so. You know if you go for Nigeria because we be done expose your refugee paper and all those things. It go take care for you. Today, Ayeke he don't die because of una atrocity the one that cause some for inside Besali. We need to be honest. Ayeke don't be the most successful project for La République. La République du Cameroon, through their people the way they become the pay una, create alliances for create a blockade for ADF, for begin assassinate ADF fighters, you and Ayeke. Una kikiwa fighter them for day. Una be feel say they use una so na forgive una gun. Una don't realize and say they go can kill una. Una don't finally give the perfect script for La République. Through you and Ayeke, La République don't prove for the war. Falsely, say Ambazonia the born village. When they instigate una go born village, una no be know what they do. True una, They don't prove one now for the war say Ambazonia the torture your own people them. When a false interpretation because we not represent the vast majority of our forces them for ground. We not represent them. They don't use una finish kunkumai una because na the job for la Republic. After they use you very well, they go kill you. So any man where the people that they use them, Sako a comedy, they can't use them. When the official when the one work for Ambazonia, they go end up kill you. Unfortunately, we don't lost Ayeke. They want manipulate even some activists. They for project Ayeke me become the face of the revolution, so that the atrocity the way they don't fool Ayeke me go commit them, it go be attached to the Ambazonia forever, and they go eliminate una no go fit can talk who will be give una how porta sang they be give una money. Una no fit can explain them again because they go run kill una. And this one a lesson for all general them for down there for here. So no be any man will tie Ambazonia for his skin be Ambazonia. When I remember Alex Ndive be the carry Ambazonia flag pass all man. Before I want even start the carry Ambazonia flag, Alex Ndive be the carry before me. But today we no say be na infiltrator. No be all man way he talk say be Ambazonian. He carry flag, he sing anthem, he be Ambazonia. Man when Ambazonia, he be capable for tell una the truth about the best way for we to get independence. Now for follow the best structure and for follow the right leader. Man will not be capable for come to that conclusion. He avoid them. He need to work now for we. So that man will be done make peace. Will be done get a meeting with all the traditional rulers, the quarter heads, all the Njangi houses for Insa Besali and Bechati, including the governing council. We will then even bring in the commander-in-chief of the ADF, where he be now also the executive president for the governing council, Dr. Chuayaba, our leader of our liberation. Me, he directly address the people of Lebialem, in particularly the areas of Bechati, Besali, and all those surrounding areas. The president of the governing council, Ayabacho, addressed them. He give a promise for them. Say, we will not allow any group to kill anybody in Besali, Bechati, and all those areas. That was a promise made by Dr. Chuayaba. And we communicated that communication to you. Diamond, we told you, whatever you are doing in Besali, we will allow you there. We have actually give you that land to control that land as you want, with the condition that nobody will be killed, no innocent civilian will be tortured. That is the condition we gave you. You go ahead, when I start picking the big picking them for inside Besali, to drive them, follow them, go push them inside River Menu. 8 boys died in Besali. 8 people died today. So then give us a call. Una can help we. Una be promise una go help we. Una be tell we say we go no call a Kelebe, them no call La Republic. What get problem? Because last time they call La Republic come for day heavily. They come for they can do it. They can kill General Ayeke, do propaganda video, show lesson that they control that area. Carry all the people the way they be kidnap them, go to Tana for Kumba. For instead their camp begin make propaganda video day. Because of Una. Una know how that video they damage our population? It destroy our integrity? They use them for diplomacy? Do you guys know what you have done? That one will not be enough. You go kill 8 people them again, 8 use them for inside Besali. Now why that way we decide to send in our troops them? No before Kaimin can catch you. We send our troops them for go for inside Besali, for go show force, and for reassure the population for Besali, Ntali, and all those villagers and say we'll stand with them and we'll not go allow them for suffer under the hands of any force for Ambazonia. Our forces the one go for day, then come for day from 3 different units them they enter for inside Besali. General Diamond ambushed them. During that course of the ambush, one of the soldiers the baby killed. The rest then run. He run le man way da le ngana kowe dan see snake. He run go begin send audio for outside say, General Efang was not there. General Efang was not there. If General Efang was there, maybe they will arrest you. And we do not. We have no intention to arrest you at that point because we don't withdraw your arrest warrant. But if you continue to call General Efang in name, the threaten we, you become a threat. We shall act. And Ambazonian need to understand. Say when we act, me man no begin cry. So nothing that will happen for inside Besali. The video footages them, it see go through when that video footage will be ready. We go send them for now. So nothing that will happen for day. So I go take una. I want to do this thing fast so that make I take una go now for give una update about the revolution, how the revolution it go. So I'll carry that side small time. So I want to take una for the great state of Mezam, for instance Santa in particular, because some bad things that happen for Santa. The thing that happens to stay now I talk say no man no be perfect. When I feel imagine say La République du Cameroun their agent then successfully they talk for me. So that they talk with them believe say na soldier them for ground. I be communicate with the guy then feel say na soldier on the ground. They don't deceive our people them right now as I talk. They don't key almost 80% of active forces in Santa. Almost 80%. Almost 60%. The rest that are around go bush they try to regather themselves. According to information what happened, so on video they were how they be study their county by county thing. This guy then go gather for instance Santa, they make video, show their face them very well. So they call for the local government of we are the local LGA. LGA they I been watch that video that time. I thought say something it doesn't. I don't feel my instinct tells me that there is something wrong with these guys. And everybody at that time say no, Capo Daniel you over exaggerate them. You over exaggerate them. It don't turn out say the people for that video, two of them now people the way they don't go join army for Douala, one for Douala and one for Yaoundé. I'll put their picture for you. These two guys them. Now give me a moment. Oops. What is this? Okay. So these two picking them for our wing. Now Santa our wing picking them. Two of these guys them then join army. The army for La République decide for use them, they send them for Santa. Me they can't join Amber Boy them. They will make some video. Ma put their picture up, me gonna see them. Because now these boys they don't progress into the stage of black leg. So now the two boys and these two guys then join recruitment. When as some elite for inside Santa, I will bring up in name later on. Can't tell now. The two boys and the one in name for up the na Chimonto Henry, the other one Nanji Livingston. One of them, I think Chimoto is stay for Douala, the other one Livingston, it is stay now for Yaoundé. The CPDM lead them for inside Santa, then get relationship with them. So then send them for inside Santa, me they can pretend say them be an Amber Boy, then gather small boy and say, hey, we need gun. When I see now we be Amber Boy them. Now say them fool our forces them for the guy where he be there for that Santa, he be the calling a grandpa Santa, he go join this boy them. Then form Amber Book group. They don't know say these two boys then are Cameroon military. They don't recruit them for Cameroon military. They never finish training, no. They never finish training. We don't get all story where it happened for day. So this Livingston and Henry, G. Livingston and Henry, then come for Santa. They can't work with Grandpa Diamond, Grandpa Santa. They do work with when a Cameroon military people them. That way they don't get their when I remember they even arrest some military man, then take bribery, corruption. Now the boy then be assured they say no. When I release that military money, that La République du Cameroun gendarme, when I release him, then pay money, then give 2 million. Gertrude when I call himself say the so-called LGA head coordinator where he work with Sako. He don't even know. They cannot even know this type of things because defense being meant for specialists, not be for amateurs, not be for learners. If you want to enter defense thing, you're supposed to be not be just any kind of person. We not expose the revolution for infiltration. Look at how many people they don't die now for inside Santa. How many people they don't kill and they don't wipe out boy them for Santa. They don't kill people there for Santa. They don't show fighter for that county by county fighter. They don't kill them. They almost catch my general away there for upper for up station there for inside the Bamenda. The general way he be born the gendarmerie station for day. This guy then contact me. They talk like soldiers. They do everything like soldiers. They tell me say, "Hey, Capo Dane, you so una do that good job for inside Bamenda for up station. We want collaborate with that on a general for this since we didn't all over Santa for our wing day. Send their boy then me come. One say una so we gun them because this Saku guy then they need to give him money. Now the thing that the guy then call me the talk. I talk for my general say I give them my general a number. The general contact me, tell me say he get the guy their number. Now for them my brain start tick. I say why wait till some person go ask me your number where then get your number already? Because when they already chat what the soldier for that area they know already say now that particular group for ADF then carry out that attack. So he tell me say get the guy the number already. Now guy already be work for that guy that was Santa with grandpa. I talk say but grandpa during the time where they catch the one key cross and die for Santa. It will be very suspicious. We'll be taking an operation for go move cross and die for key cross and die. And the information where cross and die the game, it is suspect the guy them. So be very careful. That guy then talks to the one say with a gun and some bullet them. I tell that general, I tell our commander for Bamenda say the ADF policy then deny say we no fit buy gun for inside ground zero. So that they no fit take money for abroad, take gun and cancel and for we will not go ever buy gun for inside ground zero. Now our policy that I deny for ye. But somehow that you know soldier one gun. The general come up for they say one go meet up. Thank God. The place where they supposed to go meet up for day for corner some small bar for corner day for take a day. That general instead go pay na bike man. He go road pay na bike man. Me that bike man go for day. Bike man go for day. Go stand for the talk say define so and so person. Now complete francophone they come up for day gun them army them for the La Republic army gun them for the way then dress and CV. Now for the general now for the miss it own die for day. He don't come up for day. The people that be there, they see the two guys them. They see Henry and Livingston, they be there for day. Who those army people them. Now for them now we'll start go back for the archive. We'll start see report. We'll be done the ignore them. Where some forces them for inside Santa then call we then tell we say this so La République du Cameroon they ambush General Grandpa Diamond for Santa then catch it then kill it first and second in command they kill the two of them then catch you hand go them. But time when that story be come out we call Grandpa Santa pick his phone talk say they say no na lie nothing no be happen. When it means say La République be catchy, they be there that time when people they be call the telly, the forcing me the tell people they say nothing they happen. They don't go convince Isute ye now they work with these two people them. We don't know whether Grandpa Santa they work with them knowingly or not by honor duress. But they call fighter them one by one they kill them. They call fighter them one by one they come up of bush they kill them. They don't kill almost 60% of the county by county forces them for inside Santa. They don't kill them already. When they talk some more day for inside structure where he get a whole network of things the way you know, two minds are better than one because when we do everything for ADF, you bring up for war council, you get specialists, you get people there, they get time for already examine what really happened. Multiple people that be involved. So these guys they don't kill almost 60% of all fighters inside Santa. They don't kill them all. So they start trying to kill the one the way they out of Santa. Then contact General Gola for come. Talk say the one send them some gun. The same Z way they talk about, we say the one say gun and bullet. General Gola send 7 people them for day. Now then this, now they resort this. Then kill them all. Then kill them all. And from where to all the year, this guy they be there for they be involved for inside. That means that they don't help La République. They actually fight alongside La République du Cameroon. They kill them all. So because of the death of these people, the way they don't kill them, we don't decide for put them on a dead or alive wanted list. So Chimung To Henry Nji Livingston are hereby declared blacklegs. Blackleg means na a spy, a collaborator where they work hand in hand with La République du Cameroon military. Henceforth, they are guilty. The evidence provided by our commander on the ground and multiple interviews with people on the ground have confirmed that Chimbong Henry is the leader of a group of spies working for the Cameroon government with Nji Livingston. The status of Grandpa Santa is not yet affirmed. We now declare Livingston Nji and Henry Chimoto as blacklegs guilty of assassinating soldiers on the ground. They should be killed or arrested alive. The arrest warrant is killed or arrest alive, dead or alive. If you have information about the whereabouts of these two traitors, if you can do something, if you are their neighbor, if you can anything, if you cannot even do something, we will help you to tell the family member of the soldiers that they have killed so that they can kill them. If you have met these people in Douala and Yaoundé, please contact us as soon as possible. They are dangerous and they are an imminent threat of the life of every Ambazonian who support the struggle. They should be neutralized on sight. Their judgment is done already. Their evidence is overwhelming, and during this time of war, you guys have to neutralize a threat. No time for waste time. So they are wanted dead or alive. Any man will get information about them, their whereabouts, their house, the place where they stay, they take shelter. Any man where you will be, even if you will be not their enemy, and then you will find chance to do something, there are chances if you even contact we will try for help you, will try to tell you how you fit do them. But these two people, they are gone. They are gone. So we also want to talk now for the diplomatic side. We want to talk about the Cameroon government, their failure. You know, it not be enough for to talk about the eternal things them. We need to talk our people them according to Pa Poster, Pa waiting they happen. We need to talk about the progress we make diplomatically and the progress of the struggle physically. On the ground, our weapons have already arrived everywhere that we need them. In Bamenda, we have what it takes to start our operation in Bamenda. But there are some critical things that our soldiers they still need. Some high-grade explosive, and there are some certain guns that we still need. Our commander in the Bamenda Brigade have decided to keep all mission on hold. There may be some level of activities in the subsequent week coming up in Bamenda, but we need the stabilization fund. We need it. It's not like it's something we have a choice. I'll give you some example, even though I've not had clearance, but I think that I have enough. I have the authority to give this information out. The current small bullet we have, even the small bullet of AK-47 that we have ambushed the armored cars, it does not really pierce. It's not effective. So our soldiers have to take a lot of risk to make sure that they can shoot those armored cars in front on the glass to take out the driver. Even you see, look at the way they are protected the gunner on top of those armored cars. It's very difficult for us to neutralize those threats. So we don't want to get into operation without the capacity to neutralize the armored car right now. The bombs that we have can turn them over. We can turn those armored car over, but they are not as effective as we want them to be. So I am pleading with you, my good people of Ambazonia, give General Efang what he wants. Give General Hassan what he wants. Give General Cobra what he wants. Give Captain Small Pikin what he wants. Give our ex generals that their names are classified what they want. Even the sniper rifle that they have demanded, they are all there in the market. They are all there in our reach. We need only that money. Stabilization fund is not a want, it is a need. Keep aside politics and donate for this project. I beg una papa. Me, when I know say my strong point no be for ask money. My strong point is not to ask for funds. But I am taking this exception to ask for fund. That is why I went there to stand with Lucas Asu when they were launching the stabilization fund to represent the ADF, and to stand there and fill the gap of all of our generals who cannot be on social media. I was there, I was sleepy, I was there because they need that money. Oh. They need that money. All this talk without that money, it no go help we for no way. Because now we no fit send one soldier them when we no be sure we no the same soldier for suicide mission. We need that money. Okay, let me do our closing segment, which is the progress of our revolution. We have lost some few soldiers during the past week, but our morals are very high. The generals are very high. In Bamenda alone, we have multiplied our intelligence officers. They have multiplied. The numbers have doubled. The fighting forces that we have recruited, we have been able to send the first batch for training. The first batch have gone for training. So all the youths for Bamenda way when want join the war, when on time they come gonna be patient. But for the meantime, when I need for begin do una own, if una fit carry out some kind of action, then for sabotage action, una fit go ahead for do am. Una need for do am because we need this, the people that need the vanguards. As we fight, as they distract una, La Republique they undermine the fundamentals for our revolution. Where it be na weti, the ghost town. Now they target that for La Republique for make am be so distracted. For need to monitor the ghost town, for need to motivate our people them, for educate them, for the need for them to continue the ghost town. Every Monday, na country Sunday, it be paramount, it be sacrosanct. Say make all man lock his shop, me all man shit down for house, me no man no come out for road. Every Monday, from Boya, Kumba, Miselele, Tiko, all those area them, me all man lock his shop. We don't get information say, for inside Kumba, the colonial mayor is still there for Kumba. We need to liberate Kumba. I will work with the youth them for day. We don't hear for some Ben Sikin people they don't call we tell we say the so-called La Republique mayor he can give 6 million for the Ben Sikin their trade union leader them. Me them go pay Ben Sikin people them me them come up for road for show support. Would they ask and say make all the Ben Sikin people them me them come back for their senses. That corruption na blood money for sacrifice the life of all una people the way they across Ambazonia. Next time we gonna not take that bribe. Or if una take that bribe, una give that money for women who buy gun. Would they ask una say we una take away that mayor away for Kumba as soon as possible. When I take you, when I send it out, our forces then will try for 6 or 2 will go feed them about that situation for inside Kumba. Our commander way there for day, they be still do something they see going for day, but they go to respond very soon. So nothing now is going for Kumba. Would the yes La Republique du Cameroon they crumble. Their whole plan for the reconstruction, where it be been a plan where they be one use them for the United Nations Security Council for stop Ambazonian case me no come up. It don't fail. According to information we will get them from the Ambazonia Governing Council Secretary General's office, Secretary of State's office. It shows that the UNDP it don't make a report about the failure of the reconstruction plan where La Republique be done bribe some of their officials them, me them lend them their name so that they go fit scam the international community for get loans. And instead for reconstruct Ambazonia, they be the plan for use that loan for bribery and corruption and for buy weapons. The UNDP they then submit a document where it be classified, but according to the Office of the Governing Council for the Secretary of State, the UNDP they then tell the United Nations Security Council say that project for reconstruction it don't fail. La Republique du Cameroon it crumble. They be the hope say they go use the UNDP for borrow money for IMF and also for approach donors them for Western country they meet and support them with financial donation Me they use them for pay salaries and for sustain the war for Ambazonia. The war it not be sustainable. Like Republic du Cameroon, they lost their money in no day. They be so desperate. We be here say Mr. Paul Biya, a minister, they be come up with a plan for start tax mobile phones in order for get money for pay salary for work at them and for continue for prosecute the war for Ambazonia. That scam also it be show say their own population for revolt, and that Paul Biya become out for stop that particular move. The Cameroon government, their economy, it crumble, them be in shackles, they will lose this war, they cannot fight this war for the next 2 years. Ambazonia people, they need to rise up, intensify the fighting, and for make sure say me they respect the ghost town, and for stop the school, for continue the school boycott, for make sure say make no La Republique du Cameroon school them it no go on. Our forces them that arrest some few teachers them, give them warning and release them. It happen, and it happen for Ambazonia. We warn all man way to go for La Republique du Cameroon government schools inside Ambazonia. So you do so at a risk because those schools are banned. We cannot allow a foreign government to come and open schools in our country. We are calling on all private schools and mission schools to transform themselves into community schools, working with the Ambazonia Board of Education to make sure that our students have access to education during this war period. There are certain conditions that will be met so that those schools can be open. La Republique du Cameroon, they get a lot of pressure now from the Security Council as we hear from the corridors of diplomacy. La Republique du Cameroon, they be informed. So the United Nations no consider their election for inside Ambazonia like a valid election. They no fit use their so-called collaborators where they don't give them the titles as parliamentarians and senators. La Republique du Cameroon, they don't come up with their new replacement theory for fill that gap by creating the House of Chiefs, or not the House of Thieves, as we go call them. This House of Chiefs, it don't fail woefully, as we hear. Fayengo Francis yesterday get a meeting with Mr. Paul Biya for personally give you updates about the failure of the so-called House of Chiefs, because all the chiefs, the way they don't contact them, they be give first class chief 2 million only for submit document. Give second class chief them 1 million because they know send that money where they want them. When they send that money, they can submit the document. Atanji Paul, na the direct person will be in charge for the application. Even the list, they don't fear for give the list, because chief they record them, they tell them say we no want me to publish one name, oh. We no want me to publish one name because say Capo Daniel will come after we. Dr. Yabacho, he will make out a clear statement. Say they go cut money head, put on a stick. They go cut money head, put on a stick. And at the camp can't tell Ambazonia and say, now because of our campaign and the statement where Dr. Choda make them, where they know say we will do them, now either make them, they don't fail. Now document in this way, our chief Benedict Kwa, he don't issue the document. We don't instruct all the generals. Now a policy where one make una sabi before it go get nasty. It is law of the land. Any chief in Ambazonia who will step into the House of Chiefs will be executed for treason, for collaborating with an alien government to recolonize Ambazonia. Colonization is a crime against humanity. And any chief where go get canas for enter for inside La Republique du Cameroon, the House of Chief, will be executed. Even if it means executing all the chiefs, they shall all be executed for the land to be free. 99 days for a thief, 1 day for the honor. Even if it take 10 years, any chief will go enter for day. Whether na for Nangwafo, whether na for na Bumbi, whether na the fund for Banso, any chief where he go take a foot, go enter for that House of Chiefs in the name of Ambazonia. Quote me anywhere. Quote me anywhere. They shall all be executed. If they be the fear ADF, begin to try for sponsor the county by county now, because they be no say this day they come. They be no say this day they come. That was why they were doing all these things, sponsoring the county by county to stop us. But now we have partnership. We also hear that the fund of Bambalang, now the only one way we accept for good day. We don't try for dig a background small. We see the fund of Bangolang, from Chafa. The fund of Bangolang, now he insist for a Taranji Paul from the meeting because all the funds are talking to us. They give us all of them. They tell me where it happened. So the last meeting we get our Taranji Paul. Now this fund Chafa Henry, when I had a call on a fund Chafa wait in a fund of Bangolang. Now he talk say now only he insist me the meeting go ahead. Me the meeting go ahead. And when I go look at background, it shows that this fund he kill his brother for take power. Now the fund from Bangolang, we don't contact the people. Probably are making a senator. So he be fund and he be senator. He be wanted. If Ambazonia force and see we arrest him for questioning. We never declare say be black leg yet. So me no man no go say we na go kill him because we don't talk say me he be wanted. No, he be wanted for questioning. So the fund from Bangolang, we don't contact the people them for palace, we don't contact people them for day, they don't give you all your background story, all the things that you do from Bangolang. Then talk so you kill your brother for take power, you don't become a senator. As a matter of fact, one of your kingmakers in Bangolang, he tell me to say this in your country talk. Only the people in Bangolang will know. He say, Nku Yiri, say my talk for this chief. Senator Chafa, when at the front from Bangolang, ma tell you say, Nku Yiri, say na you say go know what we mean. And he tell me say, even if we ADF will allow from Chafa to come back, we no go for that house of chiefs, themselves they go kill him. So from Chafa, you get problem not only with Ambazonia. Now why that way you do that thing? So even at the city can fund them for TV, me gonna no place enough you go back for village. So from Chafa, if something happen for you, not even first thing say na we. Your own kingmaker that they wait you for kunkumize you. You don't go sell village for pobia. Hey, wata na wata. So nothing in that way to go on for inside Ambazonia. Would we win badly? I want to tell our people, say diplomatic engagement is there for the highest level now. Unfortunately, no be material that we fit put up outside. But for assure our people and say the international community, our international partners, they don't be engaged these past weeks for the highest level of international diplomacy. The only thing we retire now is the American presidential election. So make una stand up strong, una hold the 4 pillars of our revolution. After all the social media noise, una make sure say make the ghost town it turn up more. Una make sure say make brasseries. All brasseries depot for Bamenda una bring them down. Anybody where if he bring down brasseries, una contact me, we will give una money. Hey, I don't get message from our security guy for the ADF. They talk say these guys in Santa, they don't keep ADF, they offer 500,000. 500,000 for any man way if you neutralize these traitors with the rank key, then get blood in their hand. So anybody way if you neutralize these 2 guys them, G. Clintonston, and Harry Chimonto, they will pay you 500,000 cash. 500,000 cash for neutralize the threat posed by these 2 individuals where they assassinate soldiers of the ground, boy them for come, their own village people them. We yesterday they go from house to house for inside Santa. House to house. That means they go about the soldier at their house. They go for a house, then they go for a house, call your family member and then take phone, call you, come before and catch you, kill them. That thing now happen for Santa. And Santa people they want to need to tell we. Want to need to talk. As therefore, why you need to talk? You then only go begin the disclaim 7 kata. People they die for your village Santa, they want to need to talk. And for our people for ground zero, it be so frustrating. Yes, I know say unaran be na a people way unaran go through all type of trauma, all type of fear. Una big arrested by the wicked black man syndrome, and it be impossible for una to talk for una self. But every time atrocity they happen, we contact the international community. They talk so they will not prove them because there is no evidence. So it be very important. Say every time when I see like the public their motor them pass, when I take the picture, when I send it for me or anybody where they abroad, then when I delete them on a phone, so that we go fit track down the particular unit the way they commit the atrocity, so that the International Criminal Court the fit come inside. So every time when I take this seriously, evidence it be important. If we not get evidence, there is nothing we can do. Like the public fit also will not be there for the area. How if you do prove them? Every motor will be suspicious, even private car will be suspicious. Take picture, take video, talk the date where you take the video, talk the date, the location, the exact location. Not the only location for the village. For example, if you talk say my 2 Nkwen, my 3 this one. Give location, place, and your observation. Describe your observation. If the key person no talk say Kelebe, talk like the public, because when we send those things there for the BB body the way they feel hella we, they need to know what to do it, and they talk say like the public is denied. They say this thing is not in Ambazonia. How can you prove it? So we will leave and we'll leave and now so, and then we will continue tomorrow. Hopefully, because we'll get a lot of material for bringing for now, a lot of updates, and we will bring the video them later on. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I wise up, as my opening statement, it be talk, common sense and logic, it talk say, man where he see something, man where get foresight, where he see something before it happen, where he talk something 2 years before it happen, it be better place for help una, for advice una than person way they realize them after the damage that already be done. So, una shine una eye, una wise up. May our revolution be short. May our independence, civil liberty, democracy, and the respect of human rights, the preservation of human dignity be in an independent Ambazonia forevermore. Bless you. Ciao.